Coming up are 5 great questions to ask your estate agent. Stay tuned. 5. How long has the property been on the market? A property that's been on the market for a while may come down slightly on the asking price to suit your budget. 4. Why are the vendors selling? This is to gauge the urgency of their move, as they may be looking for a quick sale that could benefit you. 3. Are the vendors a chain sale? If they are a chain sale, then expect the process to be more complicated and could potentially fall down if any part of the chain breaks. Next, please support me and get notified of more great tips by knocking on the like and subscribe button. Go on, smash those buttons. 2. How many viewings has the property had so far? A popular property might not stay around for long, so this could give you an indicator of how quickly you may need to make your decision. 1. What are the known problems with the house and with the neighbours? A house or area with lots of potential problems may not be up your street, so ask those questions to go in with your eyes wide open. I want to know, what are your top questions? Comment below and I'll catch you at the next one.